Ever felt the itch to design something incredible, but didn't know where to start and how? We've got just the thing for you. Our best-selling full Canva fast-track course for beginners. It's perfect for anyone and everyone. Whether you're looking to spice up your business materials, make your school projects pop, or just explore your creative side. We know that diving into design can be daunting, so we've made things super approachable with a mix of visual graphics, print, and video tutorials. Imagine sitting down with a friend who walks you through every step, making sure you're never lost or overwhelmed. That's what our course is like. And here's a little cherry on top. With the Master Resell Rights option, you can even pass on this learning journey to others and make some earnings along the way. It's like sharing your favorite book but getting a little thank you in return every time. It's an investment in passive income opportunity, so why not join us? Transform those "I wish I could create that" moments into "I made that." Whether for work, school, or just for fun, let's get creative together with Canva. Can't wait to see what you'll create and make money at the same time. Comment "I want it" to get the link.